Amazon sells tons of products and services, and you can earn money with almost all of them. Let me show you some of the best ways to make money, working from home, by using Amazon's incredible platform. In this video, I will show you some of Amazon's best money-making opportunities. But before we continue, please hit the like button so this video will reach more people, and also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. It's completely free, and by doing this, you will be the first to hear when I drop a new money-making video on my channel. Thanks for your support. One of the most popular methods to earn from Amazon is by publishing paperback books on CreateSpace. CreateSpace is Amazon's independent publishing company. Authors can self-publish their book through CreateSpace for free, and promotion and distribution are also free. As an author, you set your own prices and earn a royalty percentage each time CreateSpace prints a new book to fulfill a customer order. Royalties are calculated based on specifics of the book such as the number of pages, print color, size, and list price. Self-publishing can be a great way to earn a higher percentage of royalties from book sales since they're in charge of promotion and distribution, as opposed to a traditional publishing house. You can also sell electronic books via Kindle Direct Publishing. KDP offers authors the option to self-publish electronic books directly to the Kindle platform. Authors create their own ebook using their own manuscript and cover, and the content is uploaded right to the KDP program, provided it meets all content and quality guidelines. After writing a detailed description and uploading the book file, authors can have their book in the Kindle store, making their work available around the world, within a day or two. Kindle Direct Publishing also integrates with CreateSpace, so ebooks that are published on Kindle Direct Publishing can also be printed in paperback form. All books are printed on demand, so they never run out of stock, and as an author, you can earn up to 60% in royalties on paperback books. If you are interested in publishing and selling your own ebook on the Kindle store, you can download my free, step-by-step guide on how to get started with Amazon Kindle book publishing. You can download my free startup guide by using the link in the description box below this video. You can also become an Amazon affiliate. By using Amazon's affiliate program, you can earn a percentage of sales from all the products you promote, be it books, or electronics, you name it. You get an affiliate link that directs people to the product page on Amazon, and when they purchase the product, you get a percentage of the sale, depending on the item. One of the great aspects of the program is that customers don't need to purchase the specific product they clicked on to earn a percentage of a sale. Any purchase the customer makes on Amazon during that particular visit will result in a percentage return for the affiliate. Affiliates must disclose their affiliate status to subscribers or visitors, and to maintain in the program, you must make at least one sale per month. If you have a decent-sized social media following on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, then you can apply to be part of the Amazon Influencer program. As an influencer, you'll receive a customizable page on Amazon and a vanity URL to showcase your Amazon product recommendations. The Amazon Influencer program is an extension of Amazon's affiliate program, so you'll earn approximately 7 to 10% commission on items sold through your page, links. Create audiobooks with ACX. ACX allows writers to self-produce audiobooks and offer them for sale on Amazon, Audible, and iTunes. Authors have the option to narrate their own books, or find an interested narrator and producer for hire through ACX. You can choose to be paid a flat rate or via royalties from your sales. ACX also offers a $50 bounty program where rights holders earn each time a new Audible member joins and purchases their book. Work at home with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is an online marketplace where businesses and developers can connect with workers to complete small tasks. Many of the tasks are simple, and workers typically earn a few cents per task, which is deposited into their Amazon Payments account. Tasks may take anywhere from a few clicks to a few minutes, and pay is scaled accordingly. Sell stuff on Amazon via the Fulfillment by Amazon program. FBA provides a way for sellers to not only sell their products on Amazon but to also use Amazon's delivery and fulfillment services for their products. As a seller, you send your products to Amazon's fulfillment warehouses located around the world, and in return for a fee, Amazon handles product storage and shipping to customers. Sell goods via Amazon Handmade. If you are a crafter or artist, you can sell goods through Amazon Handmade. To be approved as a seller, all products must be handcrafted, hand-assembled, or hand-altered. Artisans set their own prices and there are no listing fees. However, there is a $40 monthly membership to join the professional selling plan, as well as a transaction fee of 12%, which is also applied to shipping costs. Sell merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is another good way to create, promote, and sell all sorts of your branded merchandise. You can have logos and artwork printed on merchandise like t-shirts, hats, coffee mugs, and tote bags. Artists upload their work and Amazon handles the printing, production, and shipping. Designers earn a royalty percentage, typically around 15 to 20% depending on the printed item. Due to its popularity, at this time Amazon only accepts new artists by invitation. Create and sell apps on Amazon's App Store. Amazon offers software developers several methods for selling apps through Amazon. As a programmer, you can create apps for the Kindle Fire, Amazon Fire TV, and Alexa, as well as for select Android devices. Amazon offers opportunities to monetize apps and games by selling physical products through your apps or creating digital in-app purchases, earning up to 6% per transaction. If you are interested in this program, you can apply for a free account, then follow the guidelines. Deliver packages for Amazon with Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex pays drivers to deliver packages using their own vehicles. As a driver, you choose your own block of hours to work, then pick packages up from a local Amazon fulfillment center or area business and fulfill the deliveries. The Amazon Flex app records package information, deliveries made, and it even provides delivery route information. Flex drivers earn $18 to $25 per hour and earnings are based on the speed of delivery and ability to get customers their packages through the Prime Now program. Okay, we're done. These are just a few of the many possibilities to earn some extra money with Amazon. Are you currently earning money with Amazon? If you do, please feel free to leave a note below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you did, please hit the like or subscribe button. Have a great day.